another unique concept of physics. Today I'll demonstrate you that how charge flows from ground when we ground a conductor or a metallic body. Okay. For that, let us consider a metallic sphere whose radius is r and a charge q is being placed outside the sphere at some distance, a small r, from the center of the sphere. Now, this sphere is neutral, this is neutral, and we have a provision of connecting it through the ground. Now, if I ask you that what is the potential of sphere, now I'll make more videos about the concept of potential on conductors, but till now I'm assuming that you people know that how to calculate the potential of a conducting sphere. So when this key is open, then and the sphere is neutral, then the potential of Q at the center of the sphere is kq by r, obviously kq by r, and that would be the potential of the complete sphere on its surface also, which means the potential at the center of the sphere and the potential at the surface of the sphere are equal, because metal has a equipotential surface as well as the complete volume inside the metal is equipotential. Okay, so the potential of a sphere is kq by small r. Now I am closing this key. Now, after closing the key, we have connected this conductor from ground, and we all know that the potential of ground is 0. And if we connect any conductor with the ground, then a charge will flow from either conductor to ground or from ground to conductor till the potential of conductor becomes 0. Obviously, when two conductors are connected, earth is also considered as conductor. When two conductors are connected to each other, the charge flows from one of the conductor to other conductor till their potential becomes equal. Now in this case, one conductor is this metallic sphere and other conductor is earth, and the potential of earth is 0. So the charge will flow either from earth to sphere or from sphere to earth till the potential of sphere and earth becomes equal, and that is 0. Obviously, earth is a huge conductor and it will not be influencing its potential due to the small charge being shared by this conductor, but this conductor would get influenced by the charge shared from earth. So the potential of earth will still remain 0, while the potential of that conductor will change, and it will change till its potential will become equal to the potential of earth, that is 0. Now let us suppose some q charge is flown from the earth on the sphere. Now this q, let us assume that q is some charge q here, q flown. Now the potential at O should be equal to 0, and it is 0 because we have connected this conductor to earth, and at the potential at O will be sum of the two potentials k q by r plus k small q by capital R. As q small q is the charge on the sphere and r is the radius of the sphere, and that would be combinedly equal to 0. Hence, by solving this equation, we can get this result that q is equal to minus of qr by r. That is the charge which has flown from the ground. This negative sign indicates a very simple thing, that the potential of this q charge, we are assuming this q to be positive. The potential of this q charge is positive, and hence to cancel out its potential, the charge that would flow from earth should be negative. Okay, so q is equal to minus qr by r. This is the result. This is the charge flown from the ground. Okay guys, I hope you understand, and I'll be giving you more examples on this